Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. In today's video, we will learn about conditional statements and loops in the Python programming language. Python supports most logical conditions from mathematics such as equals, not equals, greater than, smaller than, and so on. These conditional statements can be used with the if statement. It is written by using the if keyword. It basically tests if the condition is true or not, and executes the code based on that. Python relies on indentation or spaces in the beginning of the line to define the scope in the code. So, when using an if statement, we write the next block of code with indentation, so that Python can understand the scope and execute it accordingly. If we miss the indentation, then the code will throw an error. Other two keywords used with if are elif and else. Elif means else if. It's to check for another condition in the loop. And else basically means execute if none of the above conditions passed. Now, let's talk about loops. Python has mainly two types of loops, for loop and while loop. The while loop keeps executing the code block as long as the given condition is true. If we forgot to add a point where the while loop condition will be false, it will run forever. The for loop takes an iterable or sequence to loop over. It loops once over each element of the iterable provided and executes the code block. With the break statement, we can break a loop even if the loop has not finished executing yet, as shown in the example. So this was some basic info about conditional statements and loops. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more such short learning videos.